Hi Beach, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah if you didn't already know, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love DIYs, creative DIYs. I love hair, skin, nails, anything beauty. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe like I already told you to do. You ain't even done it yet. Go click that button. Right now I'm just showing you my nails. Today I'm doing the cornstarch method. So you're gonna need cornstarch, you're gonna need glue, you're gonna need files, buffers, all of that good stuff. It's basically like a dip powder type of thing. You do not need an electric file. I'm using it because I had it. It was like $6 at Dollar General. And lastly, you're going to need your nail tips. Of course, nail cutters and stuff like that. But nail tips are most important. So with this method, it's basically like a dip powder. You keep dipping the nail covered in glue inside the cornstarch, and it builds up over time. Right now I'm just roughing my nails up a bit, you know, with my little file. That's all it's doing, is just roughing them up. And I'm also roughing up the nail tips, so that will help it stick longer. As you can see, my nails are kind of longer. I wasn't about to cut my nails, so I just stuck them tips on how they fit and called it a day. I got my cornstarch in a little container. As y'all gonna see, that container didn't work out for me, so I ended up putting it in the lid, which I recommend you do too, because that was a lot of container for a little bit of nail. These are what my nails are looking like with the tips all on them, and I just went ahead and cut them down to size. Basically, I just cut right up under the number, you know, the numbers that be on the nail tips. Yeah, right up under that. And I'm going in and file it to the shape I want it. I want to get that initial file, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and file everything again. I like everything to be sharp and crisp, you know what I'm saying? This is also my first time doing this, so I didn't want to mess up if I could prevent it. I'm going in with my nail primer, and I thought this would protect my nail or something. I don't know why I put this. You do not have to do this. I was like scared of putting glue on my bare nail, so that's why I put the primer on. That was the primer I used, and then I went in with the super glue, and basically I'm coating my whole nail in super glue, and then I'm dipping it in the powder. As you can see right now, I'm gonna change the container real quick because that did not work out, but I just dip it, and I do it like a total of 3 times. You could do it more if you want. My patience was very, very thin for this project because I knew I wasn't gonna keep the nails on that long. I just wanted to see what they was gonna come out like, so I only did 3 layers. Feel free to do more if you want yours to be a little more sturdier, but yeah, 3 was just fine for what I needed it to do. Okay y'all, so this is a way more clear shot of what I'm doing. I'm coating my whole nail in the nail glue, and then I'm dipping it in the cornstarch like you battering up some chicken. You want to make sure you get all of the corners and all of the bare spots and make sure everything is evenly coated. And then I'm gonna go on to the next nail and kind of let that marinate in there. I do that with each nail so it all gets the time to marinate before I dust the extra powder off and go in with the next layer. As you can see, I dusted all the excess powder off, and I'm going in with my next layer. And when you're doing this, the fumes, oh my goodness, make sure you open up a window because them fumes, they are so powerful. My nostrils was burning, my eyes was burning. Open you up a window. Do this in a well ventilated area. It's just like you're doing your nails or you're getting your nails done at the shop with the acrylic and everything. It's just as powerful, so make sure you protect yourself, okay? Open up that window, make sure you got some nice air coming in, and then proceed with the project. With these nails, it takes a minute for the glue to actually dry and harden up, so the nails will be very pink looking when you're dusting them off and stuff, but wait like 5-10 minutes and the nails, once they're completely hardened, will be a more of a milky white type of color. Okay, y'all, so I think this was my last coat. You see how it's looking already? Like, it's coming together. It was looking very promising here. I was like, oh, that kind of look cute. I'm like, I got excited, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it looks cute. They last. I guess I took them off because I got tired of them. I'm not even gonna lie, I took them off like after a few days, but they still last and they held up. So this is a really nice DIY project. It costed me about $3. I say $4 max, but honestly $3 because I had a lot of this stuff at home already. So if you want to try this, I definitely recommend it. Please beware that this is a very messy project, okay? So you're probably going to need your vacuum, your duster, your broom, sweeper, all of that stuff afterwards to get all this powder up, and also a fan or something to get that smell out. But if you're prepared for that, you're good then. Y'all, I know I keep popping back in, but I keep seeing things that keep reminding me of things. This glue bottle was so irritating. You can't squeeze these type of glue bottles, so when the glue don't want to come out, it just don't want to come out. I recommend getting the glue bottle that comes with the brush, you know, the kind that you could brush on. It's $2, so it was only $1 more than the one I got. Make that investment because I feel like that would have made this project go a lot smoother and easier, because that glue bottle right there in that corner was so irritating. So these are the nails right after, before they got a chance to fully dry. This is freshly dusted nails. As you can see, they're more pink, like what I was telling you. I think it's real cute, and once I file it, it's gonna be even cuter. Okay, so here's some tips for filing. You want to take your time, no matter how long it takes. And when you're filing, keep the file straight and go in the direction that you want your nail to go. I was going for more of a square coffin type of situation, so I kept my, what is it called, file? My bad, y'all. I kept my file straight and I went at an angle, the angle that I wanted it to be. Keep your file straight because that's going to get you that sharp shape that you want. And I already told y'all do not need an electric drill. I'm using it because I had it. It's more of a handheld battery powered type of situation. Like I said, it was $6. And I'm just using that to go into the cuticles and, you know, try to straighten that up a bit. Because I noticed my cuticles looked very flooded and I did not like that. But I didn't know how to fix it. So I did what I could. And I'm also buffing. With this buffer, it has 4 different sizes. So all in all, it just makes it very smooth and all of that good stuff. It felt really soft. So I like that. These are the nails afterwards, after they were all filed. Listen, y'all, I did my thing with that shape. Oh my goodness, I am so proud. I had a shape came out. It looks so good. And here's the most awful part, y'all. If the nails would have just been all white, I just would have left it as is, but they wasn't. They was all chalky, like a piece of chalk. It actually looked like a piece of chalk. I am not good at paints and nails. I try to be, but all in all, I'm just not. So this was very atrocious of me to even be trying, but I tried and I put some jewels on it. Even after the fact, I went through and redid some nails, and I wasn't feeling it, but I was feeling it enough to just leave it as is. This is what the nails look like after I was all done. As you can see, you could tell which side was my good hand and which side was not. But yeah, so these are what the finished results look like. I hope you guys like them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, I was talking. You hear that? So they sturdy. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.